Hey, we're back. We are back. Welcome, welcome. Ashes is here and FX and Trophy is here. All right, all right. So let's see. You guys are discussing the future here. All right. FX and Trophy is long. Ooh, that's exciting. Dren, hey, what's up? We're gonna look into gold, Dren, in a few minutes. I mean, a minute. Hey. It looks like we went a little bit lower, just a little bit, not too much, but a little bit lower from these levels after the stream. But fear not, my fellow traders, we're gonna continue higher, or maybe lower, who knows. One thing is straight. I mean, I'm definitely sure that we're gonna go right. So that's my analysis for today. Anyway, let's look at gold. What's going on? And let's look at NQ. Let's look at gold. Gold is pretty much up here at all-time highs, so it feels bullish. Nothing special though. Bullish order block here on the 5-minute, looking to go more higher, and the 15-minute created kind of a support with this fair value gap, although it took this one. It's technically, you know, narrowed down into a range. So yeah, gold is narrowed down into this area. You know, don't really know what can happen. You're live streaming. Ho ho. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's check it. Hold on. So we could go a little bit higher, but I'm not sure. I still don't know. I still don't know. Gold is bullish for me. That's what I know. That's what I'm sure of. But I have no entry. I guess we're gonna have to wait after the news. So yeah. Let's check it out. What's happening? FX and Trophy is streaming. Nice. Good, good. I just subscribed. I needed to. I had to. Nice. Good one. You have an entry on a 15-minute. Let's check it. Sorry, 15-minute chart. Entry short. Yeah, so it is a short entry. Definitely it is. I give you that. And it's a very short entry. And actually it's looking very good. Sell side liquidity at 205. Let's go down. 15-minute is definitely looking good to go short. And this is not going to be accurate, but we're right at the 50% retracement. 207. Yeah, good targets there. You know, I would go right there. Yeah, risk to reward is actually very good. Very, very, very good. Even with just one micro, it looks good. Spy Girl, hey, what's going on? So gold is consolidating, not really doing anything. This one took out the fair value gap. Still bullish on the 15-minute. The 5-minute shifted higher. There was a possible entry here on gold on this gap to go and take out the 80 level ish. I might have missed it, not sure though. But you know, if I look for that level, then yeah, 1 to 2 risk to reward right there on gold. Unfortunately, the train has left the station. Spy Girl is long. FX and Trophy don't have audio on his stream. It's fine. Ashev's is short, which actually looking good. Obviously, we are in a bear market right now, and we're gonna have some news in 10 minutes. Medium impact news. So look at gold. Wow, what a move. Should have taken this one. On his channel, Teddy is streaming on his channel. FX and Trophy on YouTube. Yeah. So it seems like it can go higher a little bit more on gold. Let's see. This Nasdaq short is looking good on the 15-minute. On the 5-minute, let me just clear this out of the way a little bit. This is the 300 level, 290. Let me get this out of the way. 5-minute swing high. Okay, now it looks a little bit better. Too many lines. All right. Let's see. Robert, my signal entry. Well, you know, if you want to take a short, I don't enter to this short because we're low here. But if you want to enter a short, then the 50% level should be a good entry at this fair value gap on the 15-minute chart, you know. This is the 15-minute swing. 50% retracement right there inside that fair value gap, so you can take a short if you want to. The next sell side level is at 205-ish. So the risk to reward could be still good if you want to go. So yeah. Oh yeah, Future Fanatic says that trader weight issue with MyFundedFutures is annoying. But yeah, I was reading about it on Discord too. They're still trying to fix it. I don't know what's going on. But yeah. So this could have been a short entry here. I'm not gonna take it because for me it's too low. But I'm gonna wait for news and see what's gonna happen. But yeah. Yeah. Oh, maybe. Talán, nem tudom. It's a conspiracy theory. Future Fanatic says that MyFundedFutures may know what's gonna happen in the market, and they didn't want anyone to trade with trader weight. But yeah, maybe. Who knows? Nem tudnak semmit. Lószart se tudnak, ne ugyáid. Nem tudnak ők semmit. Nem, a trader weight szarakodik most mindenkivel. Apex-el is mindenkivel. Nem tudják ők, hogy mi megy. Alright. Igen, az. Alright, let's see. What is going on here? So, I'll be waiting on the 5-minute to see some good levels here. But let's see. We'll know more. Gold almost reached that TP level up there. 1 to 2 risk to reward almost got tagged. I think it's gonna go up and break that 79.7 level, or at least it should. All right. Look at that. FXN Trophy is making the money on his stream. Hey. Flashing all those profits there. All right, all right. Let's go. I already subscribed, so I'm a new subscriber. Is there a CPI news? Today we're gonna have nothing special for gold. Well, we're gonna have the industrial production, and before that, building permits in a few minutes. That's what we're gonna have. And we're gonna have an FOMC member. Maybe this one after 9 a.m., 9:35. This can shake the market a little bit, including gold. So we'll see. For now, if gold takes out this level, then on the 15-minute we could see some more movement to the upside. I think it's just gonna go more bullish because we're very close to that 2500 level also on futures. And so I think it's gonna stay extremely bullish for now. Uncertainty in the markets a little bit. So it should be continuing higher. But if I buy here, for example, it's just gonna go down and, you know, reprice. So I'm not gonna buy here. But if I would have, shoulda, woulda, coulda taken this trade, then I would be in profit by now. Yeah, it is what it is. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda? I don't know. Anyway, we're waiting. This news, I think it's more important than, for example, that sentiment, consumer sentiment, that I mean, just comparing to some survey news, this is more important, I think. Although if the number is pretty much that they're expecting or somewhere in that ballpark, I don't expect any oh sorry, building permits, same. So it should be around, I mean, it shouldn't be really shaking the market. So, but anything is heavier news than survey news, and those are red folder news. I don't really like them. I think they are mostly unreliable news because market doesn't really care about survey news. Okay, this is the 1 minute NQ chart just to see how the market is going to react for the numbers. Don't really expect anything. All right, 20 seconds. Let's see it. I'm gonna put on some music, I think. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here's the news. Yeah, nobody cares. Nobody really cares. A little bit bearish. Now it's going higher. I see the 49 as a possible target on the 1 minute if it's gonna go bullish here. you know, just to mess around. But the news didn't really do anything here. Numbers are pretty much around the same that they were expecting. So music sound, yeah, I mean, you guys can't hear the music. it's I can hear it in my earplug here, but I can show you a little bit of a glimpse. There's this YouTube channel called Iron Man Workshop Radio. That's what I'm listening. This one. This is the one I'm listening here. So this is a chill music. They are the best for streaming. Yeah, I heard about them. Epidemic. I'm not. I think Ash is short. Yes. Hey, Latsa. Sevas. Yeah, he's short. Oh, Epics and Trophy. I just saw you stop the stream. What happening? Come on. I opened your stream in a separate tab so I can watch you. Use Epidemic sounds all time. All right. Look at this, price just stopped. Yeah, your chart was excellent. I liked it. Look at gold, spiked lower a little bit, maybe on the news. Now seems like going higher. I like the 344 level up there. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. I just like it. Actually, it's not even. Yeah, 344. Let me go lower. Yeah. I like that level. $344. If it wants to go higher and reprice this candle. Nice. The charts speak for itself. Yeah, without audio. Hey, Clarity. Yeah, by the way, if you have like a nice chart setup and you just, you know, mainly outline what is your target or what you're looking for, I think that's already a good thing. What camera? I have a at least 8-year-old camera. At least 8 years old or 7, I don't know. It's a Trust 720p, not even a 180. It's a 720 HD Trust. It's like $10, this camera. I want to buy a 1080 camera so you guys can see a more cleaner, better picture of me, you know. Yeah, really. I bought this camera. I can actually show you if you are interested, but I'm not going to show everything here. Do I have a Droid cam? I can actually show you, but I have to log into the Wi-Fi. Where is the Droid camera? Can I? Droid cam. Okay. I have to start. Droid cam client. Okay. Hold on. Now you guys, so this is my camera here. Oh yeah, you don't see it. Hold on. Where's the Droid cam? So this is my camera. Can you see it? All right, you can't. Device disconnected. What the hell is going on? All right. Now you can see it. So that's my camera right there. It's a Trust 780. I don't even know how to show this properly. Yeah, so that's the camera I use. And we're going down, baby. Let's go. It's an old $10 camera. It's nothing serious. All right, what is happening? You're adding? All right. Let's go. 205 seems very nice down there. And we could be dropping down to the 260. Sorry, yeah, 260. 61. But 260, looking good. Looking real nice. Let's see. What's up with this video capture device? Oh. Sorry. Didn't close below. Oh yeah. I mean, on the 5-minute, it's technically a shift. If you zoom it out, look at that. It's technically shifted lower. And we have the 84 level, which is very juicy. No wick down there. Also, no wick on the mini. Almost. So that level 83 is actually very good. 80. Yeah, 83, 84. I think it should go down to that area down there. If somebody's scalping. Yeah, 83.75 should go down. I might try to scalp it. I don't know if I should, but no. No. I don't want to. It can go anywhere from here. I don't want to scalp. Maybe I will. I don't know. No, I don't. 15-minute took liquidity. Could go down lower. At least to reprice that level. What's the low of this? Actually, the open. 84. All right. All right, I got it. I scalped it. Nice. Okay, so similar situation like yesterday. I'm getting closer to 52. Yeah, 52K, and hopefully Rhythmic is not gonna screw with me again today, at least. I entered to a short somewhere around here and scalped the bottom of that candle. Looking for long? Nice. We are in deep discount zone. Oh yeah. I'm adding short. Nice. Supham, hey, good to see you. Good to see you guys and everybody. Supham, welcome. How you doing? Jacqueline, let's go. Looking for long. Yeah, we are in deep discount for sure. And if I go to the 5-minute, I see some beautiful levels. I know it's against. I mean, it would be fading Ashev's, and I hope he makes the profit. Anyway, if there's going to be a turnaround after the market open, I will be looking for long positions. Most likely, I like this high here. This swing high is very good with the bodies of the candles, beautiful swing highs. Another target up there at 376. I do like it very much. I also like this level at 350. Is that 350? Oh yeah, exactly at 350. So very good buy side liquidity targets. And if I see something, you know, forming a structure where I could, you know, just enter, I might gonna jump in. Daily fair value gap at 200. Oh, let's check it. Remove drawings. Oh yeah. Totally forgot that, man. Low is 205. Damn it. Totally forgot that. Oh no, not really. 207. I did put it there. Oh no, it's 205. All right. Daily fair value gap. Okay. Yeah, that's a little bit scary because we're close. Yeah, that's his target. We have the daily fair value gap down there. Yeah. Yeah. So that's a good target, obviously. 205. Oh, okay. So just have to be careful with the longs. Gotta be careful. Let's see what market. Yeah. I guess there's not much we can do, just waiting again. Lots of waiting. Lots of waiting. All right. But if it starts to move higher, for example, somewhere above, well, 350. Yeah. We're gonna keep an eye on this one. Yeah, it might. This 1 minute, I mean, the movement right now is typical before market open, I think. Gotta be careful. I got the 612. 207. All right. All right, all right. Mm-hmm. Waiting a little bit. Yeah, there's gonna be an FOMC member at 9:35. Waller speaking. I'm not sure about what or where. Event by further Kansas City audience, questions expected. So questions expected, which means like obviously everybody wants to know about interest rates and comments on the economy. I don't think that this person is allowed to comment on the market, obviously, because Jerome Powell definitely told everyone do not comment on the market. But most likely everyone is trying to get some, I mean, because if there's going to be questions, they want to get some information. So we can see, you know, even just with one sentence that goes bad or good, whatever, can shake the market. So but there's definitely going to be a question about interest rates and the recession and inflation. 100%. I don't know if this person is, how is going to be commenting. FX entropy is long. Yeah, very hanging here. I still think that in the bigger picture, which is 15-minute and higher for intraday, I think we're bearish, and I think we're gonna see the 205 sell side liquidity, which is the daily fair value gap. So I am gonna stay bearish and just wait. Tried it. Oh yeah. Well, I guess there's nothing's gonna move before the market open. Oh man, it's the waiting. You're exactly the same. All right. Hello, Iron. Hello again. Akram, hey, what's up, everyone? Guys, I'm so sleepy. I have to fix a coffee for myself. So don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. I have to fix a coffee, I think. All right, I'll be right back. Hey, Marco. I'm back. All right. Let's go. Let's go. I got my stop in. All right, there you go. I'm up on the day. It's all good. That's the way. I mean, if you're already in the green, that's it. You don't need anything more. Especially if your stop is at break even. That's the way to go. Now it looks like this new candle might want to break a little bit lower here. I don't know. Feels heavy, but I don't see anything special here that I like. Even for scalping, but all right. All right, it's better. It's going down. Maybe. Who knows? Donovan, good morning. Good to see you. What's happening? Push the like button, guys, and subscribe. We're looking for some nice price action, but could be maybe. I mean, I think the final target is down at 205 for this move, especially if you look at the 1 hour. I would say we're gonna go down to 205. The 1 hour, like, it's getting so obvious down there. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Hey, hey, what's going on? Welcome, J-Ho. Good to see you back, J-Ho. How you doing? I had a nice short yesterday. Made 2K. That is awesome. So I don't know if I'm going to trade today. Listen, if you made 2K yesterday, yeah, we moved a lot in London session. So maybe you should protect your profits. J-Ho, that is awesome. That is super happy for you. Yeah, in my opinion, 205 is a very strong target here. I would be scared to go long, that's for sure. It looks like 205 is just screaming to be taken out. And then maybe lower. Yeah. As for gold, I know some of you guys are looking for gold. I was looking for gold too in the morning. I messed up my trade, so I didn't take it. And now in the New York kill zone, I also missed one trade. But I still think that gold is going to go higher, should go higher. It's going to make new all-time high. We have a very nice round number up there, 2,500. Also on Forex, we have the 2,500. So it's a nice round number. I think the market wants it. If gold gives a bullish opportunity to enter, I might take it. I might take it. So I'm watching gold on my left screen, but we'll see. We'll see. I think nothing is going to move until the open. Oh, I love this picture. I have to show this to you guys. You guys are gonna love this. It states gold can be a mean. I'm not gonna say the word. A mean BITCH if you are on the wrong side. That's what it's called. This is gold. And if you're on the wrong side of gold, this is what happens. This is exactly what happens if you're on the wrong side of gold. She's gonna hit you hard if you're on the wrong side. So be careful. Yeah. That's over the markets. Yeah. I guess she could be NQ. Like not gold, but NQ. All over her body. So same goes for NQ if you're on the wrong side or any market. Yeah. Hey Serdar, good morning. Good to see you. Where have you been? You know, every morning we do the names, you know, who's here. FXN Trophy, Ashevs, J-Ho, Spy Girl, and the rest. And you know, everybody says here, you know. And when I say Serdar, and the whole stream stops. You know, and I don't know what to do. So good to see you here. You're here. All right. Yeah, unfortunately, they're still done with trade await. He's Automan. Maybe. How you doing, Serdar? So yeah, unfortunately, the trade await is still not working at this particular moment yet. Still with MyFundedFutures. They put out a message that they are working on to fix the issue. I hope they will. Ottoman. Yeah. which is actually like is that some kind of a is that a type of furniture or something? I think it is, right? Maybe I know it wrong. I have fast track account. Oh, nice. They have rhythmic. Oh, nice, nice. Good to know, good to know. Look at gold. Gold just started to fly. Wow. Look at the 1 minute. Still going higher. Have to study gold more. Just have to. Really? If gold will fly, NQ will follow. I mean, yeah, I knew that, but I thought that's many times it's quite the opposite. Everybody's escaping to gold while NQ is dropping lower. Investors buying up gold while they're exiting from stocks. That's what I thought originally. Oh. Oh, when it's flying hard. Okay. Oh, yeah, true. Yeah. If there's a very strong movement on gold, market's getting excited. True. Yeah, we don't know what's happening. Anyone long? I don't know. Is Marcus? I think Marcus wasn't here. Is Marcus here? I think he is. Dominic, I see your charts there. Sorry I didn't reply. Yeah. Yeah, expecting to go up. Okay. Gold still trying to make a move, I think, higher, but my entry is long gone. Although, you know, making some new levels up there couldn't hurt, I guess. Yeah, look at that. Seems like it's going lower again. Careful. I still like the 344 level on the 1 minute. It's inside of a fair value gap. If it would like to go higher, but first I think we could see one more strong and steep and sharp drop lower. It should be strong. Whoa, somebody subscribed, and Austin BRFC, thank you so much for the subscription. Thank you, thank you. Welcome to the channel, welcome to the team. How are you doing? How's your day? Good to have you here. Let's go, everyone. Let's go, everyone. The fair value gap, so should have a lot of liquidity under that. Yeah, there has to be a lot of. Actually, I'm gonna check the. I am going to check Bookmap, maybe, just to see what's happening. Well, we are surrounded with orders. The delta so far is yeah. Delta is positive, right? Yeah. Do we have a positive delta? Am I reading it correctly? I think we are having a positive delta. I don't really use that, so. Yeah, who knows? So far, everybody's waiting for the reaction at the opening. I have my stress ball here from Dunder Mifflin Paper Company. There you go. Dunder Mifflin. There. From Michael Scott himself. I don't think it can go. Yeah, maybe. If it present that level today, but let's see opposite. Yeah. I see more upside. Okay, daily support, weekly support, overbought on many time frames. Opening with big gap. Yeah, there's gonna be a huge gap at the opening. Look at that. There's gonna be a huge gap, so we could see, of course, movement higher. And look at that look at that level at 376. Just look at it. How perfectly it lines up with this one from the 11th of July. Now I say that on the upside that 376 level is, you know, that's interesting. That is interesting. So let's get back to electronic trading hours. Haven't even looked at Nvidia. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia is down with a gap. What if Nvidia starts to go back higher? Is this a normal profit taking? I think it is. It's still bullish, so yeah. Anyway, I can still imagine this one dropping. Haven't looked on ES. Haven't looked on ES that much. Look at this. Look to the left, guys. Huh. Yeah, ES still looks like there's some places to go here. Especially on this wick. So yeah, ES can go lower. If it does, it doesn't really need too much to pull down NQ. It's already edging lower. Hey guys, anyone's account working much? Yeah, trader weight is glitching out, so MyFundedFutures decided to halt trading temporarily with trader weight until they are fixing the issue. That's the official statement for now. At Apex, they said it's working. Somebody said in the chat at Apex it's working. Before it was Apex trader weight, now it's MyFundedFutures trader weight. So I don't know. I guess it is what it is. We cannot do anything with it. 12 minutes until market open. $74. Low is at 60. Should be taking out the low at 60, I guess, but nothing so far. That's interesting. Good morning, Jackson. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, morning to you. For me, it's 3:19 in the afternoon. Good to have you here. What's going on? I hope you had a good rest. Recharge the batteries. Let's go into the market, right? We had a decent London session, by the way, but nothing special. The hour of coffee break. Oh, tell me about it. This is my second coffee. I'm still sleeping. And of course, outside there is 100 degrees Fahrenheit, at least. Hey, solo trade. Hello. So super hot. AC is working like hell, and I would not sit in a car today. That's for sure. Get some Red Bull. I'm having this coffee. It's kind of like an how you say it in the US. We say it Americano. We say Americano because you know it's more water and a little bit less coffee, so that's how you drink it in the US, right? When I drink espresso, that bumps me out really hard. I mean, when I drink the espresso, I just get crazy, like, oh, it gets into my head real fast, and you know, like, it's a little bit strong for me to have an espresso. You smell a bear trap? All right, let's see. Bear trap. Let's see if it's gonna be a bear trap or not. Bears could be trapping, you know. Here's the bear trap. They smell it too, I think. Smells like it, right? Could be a bear trap. I don't know. Let's see. ES going lower. Gold. Let's see what's happening with gold. Gold might be going higher on this recent retracement. So if you guys want to risk it on gold, why not? I might even risk it. Who knows? You know, why not? Enter here. Take profit up there. 3 micros, why not? All right. $87. Maybe it can go. If it really wants to. but not sure. Not quite sure. Still have about 5 minutes. Careful, everyone. Hey, 7 money bag, yo. What is happening? Thank you, chat. Now I lose. Good job. I never listen. What happened? Come on, 7 money bag, yo. What happened? What is happening there? Wait is working? I'm not sure if it's working yet. Yeah, what happened? Come on, money bag. Don't say it like that. We want to help. I mean, I want to help you if I can. Come on. Come on. I know it is also a difficult day today, so because we don't have that major news. We had the move in London, so who knows what's happening now. I know it's a difficult area here, not just for gold but for NQ as well. So I get seduced today. Oh, really? Come on. Trade await is working. All right. Thank you, Mr. Tebelka. What happened? Yeah, what happened, Moneybag, yo? At least let us know, and you know, we'll try to analyze it. TopStep link is not working. It's working. It's working so far. I mean, it gives you 20%, and it's for new registrations. It gives you also 50% discount, if that's what you mean. If you register with TopStep, so new registration, that's always there. So the 20% off is always there for new registrations. That's kind of a welcome bonus for, it's in the description, a little bit detailed. But the TopStep link should be working. I'll check email. Become a trader rate run. Should ask trader rate for official pay. Yeah, maybe. Come on, money bag, come on. I mean, it's always better to talk about it, you know. I mean, if you don't want to, I understand, but sometimes it's better. Let's see. It's what is this? I said it's time to put medieval MMA on the map. Oh wow, I like this. Medieval MMA. That's kind of cool. No way. I mean, everybody has bad days. I understand, and me too, obviously. So, if I can help with anything, I'll try. I'll try. Okay, less than 2 minutes to go with this one. It's breaking lower, I think. Careful. Seems like Bulenox has some connection issues. I'm not surprised. I mean, not on Bulenox, but on Rhythmic. I might have to disconnect and reconnect. But it's fine. All right. Markets are about to open. This is the 1 minute chart. "23 seconds. Four, three, two, one, and the market is open for business. All right, let's see. Are we dropping? Seems like we're dropping. Are we going to get the 205? Who knows? So far, it looks good to go down. Oh man, I have a chart issue again with this. It's a good thing I came prepared. Never mind. So, edging lower, getting some lows picked up. ES pushing up. Oh, they decoupled. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's interesting. The 5 minute. Oh, there's nothing on the 5 minute. For now. Not sure where this one wants to go. At this moment, I'm not in any trade. Orders, positions, I'm flat. As you guys can see, I don't have anything, but I'm still watching if there's anything particular. Even if it wants to go to that fair value gap, I'm gonna be watching for it. I think it wants to, or it should, or maybe not. Yeah, made the new low. Huge SMT. TopStep X is frozen. Flat also. Oh. Well, it's still there, not really doing anything. I'm not touching it for now. Gold took out some lows here. Bear trap. Could be. I mean, I just don't like these levels, but the thing is that we went below the 50s tells me that, you know, it might want to go lower. So maybe bear trap, but you know, taking a side here would be a little bit of a gamble. On the 5 minute, there is a level which is 87 right there. I like that. I like that 87 level. Yeah, but it seems like it just wants to drop. I think it can take the stairs down, or it will take the stairs down. Last one's lower, who knows? Again, the 87 level is also very close. Look at that. Nothing on the 1 minute. This wasn't even a real liquidity sweep. But it took liquidity from the 5 minute chart, by the way. Look at that. Repriced the 5 minute here. Boom. So if it wants to go higher, and this is pretty much it. Or not. But it was close. If that's the goal. If it's a bear trap. Almost went up there. Almost, but didn't. At the end. That 5 minute gap has been repriced and it's holding. Very nice. The only question remains is if it wants to go higher to reprice that 87-ish area, or just go down to the 37. Because that's going to be down at, well, 205, very close. I don't know. We'll see if it goes down there. If not, then obviously it's going to go higher. Beautiful repricing of that area. Trying to look for something here, but you know, if it really wants to go for it, then I don't know. Could go bearish. Getting closer to that level. Is it going to take it or not? We don't know. Could be a bear trap, could be a bull trap, or could be just consolidating. Now it's going higher. Still no idea of what's it on. There was a small gap there. As far as I can tell, it could be. I mean, I don't know. It's a little bit, feels heavy. Bulls are holding. Yeah. Nothing special here. I was looking for some reaction towards that level, but it might be a trap. I don't really know if they really wanted to take it down all the way down there. I mean, looks like it, but I can't enter anything here in this. This is such a mess. I mean, I'm sorry guys, I wasn't really focusing. I was trying to look for a scalp, but I just don't see anything. I mean, I'm just... Let's see what you guys were texting here. Don't Koev, hey, good morning. Boom, Spike Girl, yeah. Let's see. Sorry, I have to see the chat. When going to pro on Take Profit Trader, do you have to hit the 6K target for 100K to withdraw? No, I think there's a minimum withdrawal threshold. Threshold. Hold on. There is somewhere the exact numbers. I know there is somewhere. Just give me a second. Withdrawal rules. There's somewhere here. If you have a withdrawal. How much is for the 100K? To wallet. Withdrawal rules. Withdrawal fees. It's not there. Payout. Wallet futures connection. Pro account. Can I reset keeping track multiple? Can I add multiple? I can't find how much is the threshold on the 100K. Oh man, I can't find it. The thing is that above the safety threshold, you can withdraw everything every single day. Make sure it's above $250, because if it's below that, they're gonna put you a $50 penalty. But I can't find it right now, Kyle, the withdrawal threshold for 100K. I'm sorry, I have to focus on the chart a little bit, but yeah, I couldn't find it anywhere either. I know they had it somewhere up there. For the 50K, it's $2,000. I know that. That's 2,000. So for example, if I have 2,000 and I have, for example, $300 above that, I can withdraw the $300. I can withdraw it, but I have to leave the 2,000. Look at that. Now it's going to take out that level. Daily fair value gap. So I don't know what's the number for the 100K. Sorry, I apologize. I should have known it, but I think it's like 3,000-4,000 maybe, if I would have to guess. But anything you make above that, you can withdraw every day or any day. Time to print the money, yeah. This time I make money. There you go. 7 money bag. Yo, listen, I hope you print that money. I really wish you do. Come on, bro, let's do it. I know I'm not really good at this right now. I mean, I have to wait until the dust settles, because then I see more levels. I mean, better levels. For now, I think the 205 should be taken out. But look at this. This was a little bit crazy going down there. Here we go, yeah. Let's go, let's go. I look, my old patterns looks like reversal. 14, 18 points. Let's go. I hope you make it. I hope you make it there. Good luck, good luck. You know, 14, 18 points is absolutely doable in this volume. It still didn't take out the 205. Interesting. Is it going to do a double bottom here? It could, right? So we have this long wick candle to the left, and we still have, you know, that 5-minute level, the 287 that I was talking about. Like this candle. Now to go reversal. Let's go. I mean, seven money bag, yo. I hope you make it. Fingers. I cross my fingers for you. Look at that. Oh no, it could be going down. I don't like to go long until the 205 level is there. Until it's there, I don't want to go and look for a long position. I mean, it's very close, obviously. But there are some good levels up there too. It's close, obviously. The low of that candle was 0625, so it didn't really go for it, but I don't know if it will. Let's see what it does at this point. We'll be waiting. You know, if it wants to go, it should be quick, but I don't know. Not sure. I'm watching it closely to see if there's any reaction. So far, nothing. Woo! Yes, I made it. I'm sorry I didn't tell you guys, but I just made it to the payout with the Bulenox account. Oh, wow. All right, here it is, guys. Bulenox account made it to the payout threshold. I was scalping it in this last move down. $3,600 is the payout threshold with Bulenox. Finally, the curse is lifted. Finally, I don't really care about anything anymore. The curse is lifted. Finally, a payout. Finally. A freaking payout after months of struggling. Finally, a payout. I mean, it's not approved yet, of course, but I just... my God. Oh my God. Guys, I didn't have a payout since month. And I was working on this account since 2 months now. Since 2 months. Almost 2 months. I was working. I'm gonna make a video about this. I was working on this freaking account for 2 months to get this freaking payout. It wasn't even about the money for me. Just to lift up this curse. And finally, I get the payout. I mean... Even if I don't get it, at least I prove myself that I can pull up a funded account to pay out. Jesus. Oh, this was hard. This was mentally hard. Oh, thank you so much, everyone. I mean, I know it's nothing. It's just $1,000, guys. I know for you, so for many of you guys, it's nothing. But I was cursed, you know, with this. And whatever happens from this after, at least I'm over this. For me, it was important emotionally, and not because of the $1,000. I mean, of course, I do like that $1,000, but shit, I didn't have a payout since I don't even remember when. Man, thank you, everyone. It really. All right, Wida. Trade await. Gabor, hey there. This was hard for me, guys. I'm gonna show you this account. It was a long journey. Do you guys want to see the report on this account? I'm gonna show you the report. Maybe you guys don't care, But I'm gonna show you anyways. I'm gonna show you anyways, even if you don't care. I'm gonna show you the report on this account. So let me just state this to you, that I wasn't trading every day on this one in the past months. Oh, look at that. Now we're having a reaction. So let me show you. I have this account since 42 days. 42 days. Do you guys see it? 42 days I have this account. Look at this. I have this account since April 24. Now let me say that there was like 1 or 2 weeks when I didn't touch the account or something like that. So I just pushed the button for 1 micro. So there were like 2 weeks where I didn't even touch the account. It took me 2 months. 2 months to get this account to pay out. 2 months. Ugh. Jesus. Thank you, Donko. Yeah, I can request all of the money, but they are if I close down my so I can request the safety threshold, but only 40% I will get, and they're going to close the account if I request the safety threshold. So I have to leave the safety threshold, which is $2,600. So now I can only request 1,000 if I don't want to close the account. If I want to close the account, they're only going to pay me out 40% of the safety threshold. So, köszönöm szépen. Köszönöm. So I was keeping this account for 60, so two months, guys, 2 months. So that's why I'm saying, and I know that this here is not me. This was the account creation or whatever. I don't know what the hell this is. But that's why I'm saying, guys, you know, if you can keep the account and grow it like slowly, if you can keep the account for 30 days, that's a goal. So I don't know what's going to happen after this with this account, obviously, but I'm going to request that freaking payout. That's for sure. Take as much as you can. I close my account 7k profit. Right now? 7 money back, yo. Nice. Nice. That is awesome. That is awesome. Or you choose to close the account. Oh my god. It's our new cat with my fiance. She just sent me the new cat, which is at their mother's, and they're asleep. Okay, anyway. Nice. 250k, nice. Good. Need money for 100k for TopStep. Nice. Oh my god, I was so nervous. This low has to go, I agree. The 205, it just has to go. It has to. There's no way around it that it's gonna stay like this. I mean, it just can't. It has to go away. It just has to go. That was too much stress for me. Too much stress. XFA, nice. 7 money back, yo. I hope you succeed. That very nice profits there, bro. You're not using a stop even. You're long from 87. Who is? I'm not. You're making me. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Congo. Thank you. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy about this. The curse is lifted. Look at this. We're going down. 205 is in the crosshairs right now. 205 is in the crosshairs. You should be. Yeah, I am. This is the run. 205 is gonna get taken out now. It has to be taken out now. The 205. I should be happy. I am happy. And again, it's quote unquote, but it's a good money here in my country. It's only $1,000, which is more than an average salary here in my country. But and for many traders, it's nothing. For me, it's not about just the 1,000. It's about making that freaking payout after 2 months. Ugh, keeping that freaking account. Anyway, I haven't. Oh, look at that! And there you go, 205. Now we can be looking for longs. Okay, now I will be looking for longs. Boom. Yeah. Thank you, Jeho. Thank you. And by the way, I couldn't done it without you guys because without you guys using my any of you guys using my code, helping me out with the affiliate commissions, I couldn't be here every day. That's it. There's no way around it. I couldn't be here streaming full time without you guys. So thank you. Call the drop. Let's go. Good one, Ash. I congratulate you. Nice one. You know what? Because I'm listening to music, I'm gonna stop the music right now. I'm gonna put the speaker back to you. Let me give an applause to everyone who made profits. Let's go, 7 money bag, yo. Let's go. Look at that drop. Wow. Congratulations. Serdar, I brought you good luck. I don't get here in the mornings. Serdar, thank you so much, and namaste, and thank you. I really appreciate. Definitely, you guys are amazing. I couldn't done it without you guys. All these months since I was struggling. I still have more funded accounts. I have 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7 because I didn't activate one. So 7 funded accounts again. But I'm actively trading on 3 right now. The one candle volume hit 15K in 1 minute. Oh yeah, that was. Look at this. Look at this drop here on the 1 minute. What a move. What a move. Look at this. Where does it go? 150. We were talking about this level. I might go eval now and go for. Yeah, if you need to blow off some steam, just go on evaluation account. That's what I'm gonna do for sure. But I'm still waiting for the dust to settle. I don't know what targets to go for right now, obviously. I would even scalp on an evaluation account, but I don't know where to go with this. What are moves here? What move? You can smell 200 points down. Let's go. Let's go. $180. All right. It's still going down. Not yet with Apex. Not yet with Apex. I'm sorry, guys. I was just texting. I'm gonna show you my PA account. I have another funded account, but that's still sitting at 50k, so didn't do anything. So this is how I'm looking with my Apex account that I'm working on. The other account is not doing anything currently, but I still need like $1,100 or $1,200 to go. Look at this drop. I just can't jump in. It's going lower. Look at this. Where is it going? Who knows? Who knows? Where is it going? Down to the 100s. Jesus Christ. What a drop. 500 points already. No, sorry. 400 points already. Almost 500 for today. What is happening here? Yeah, could be. Could be closing the whole gap. Let's go. 7 money back. Yo, congratulations for hitting that target. Man, this was quite a move. Quite a move. To the tick. Gamba is real. Okay, they were still dropping. Jesus. How long is it going? And where is it going? I'm just talking with methodical man, sorry. Strong support. I'm here, I'm sorry. Just a quick phone call as usual. Sorry. What a drop. I don't know. I don't know what's it gonna do. Is it going to rebound from these levels and go higher? Look at gold. It actually pierced all-time high and then went lower. What a drop here on gold as well. Interesting. On the 1 minute, it actually melted down. I didn't know how it did that. Well, gold actually melted down. All right. Anyway, waiting for the next setup. You know how it is. Waiting for the next setup. Looking for levels, and right now I don't really see any level to the upside. We're actually getting very close to 20k again. I would not be surprised if this one is not going to stop until 20. I have to actually draw a line to 20k just so we don't forget it that we're getting closer. On the 4-hour, reprice this gap. We still have some levels down there. On the daily, nothing special. The next level would be 20k, guys. I know it's a little bit down there, but it's 20k. You know, getting back to this 5-minute gap here, let's put a fib tool here. Here, this one. It's not accurate, so apologies for that. And look at this one. So what if in this area we're going to see a continuation to go down? Electrocuted, but I'm still looking long. All right. You're looking, everybody, you're long from 142. All right, let's see. Actually, I'm going to put a level here at this level, which is 176. 176. I do like the 176 there. Actually, I do like it. But if it starts to go the other way, well, I don't know. I guess we'll see. If it wants to get back there to reprice, maybe not. Maybe nothing is gonna happen. But you know, let's wait and see. I don't know where's the low here. It pierced from the 100 level. It's a little bit like catching a falling knife, that's for sure. Yeah, waiting for some structure could obviously be a good decision. There is liquidity at that level up there, but it could not, you know, could be just hovering here, going sideways. Might not do anything special. Or it can continue down to 20K actually. Gonna be extra careful with that. It feels heavy still, but you know, if it wants to reprice some levels, it should be at the 70s, somewhere up in the 70s if it wants to reprice some levels. Other than that, it's definitely feeling heavy. And right now, we're in the silver bullet hour, but I don't know how far can it reprice. There's a pressure on it, selling pressure, but I'm watching closely. Okay, respected it for a fair gap low. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that actually. So that's why I'm not sure if it wants to go through or, you know, because I can see that it still has that pressure as the candles are printing right now. But you know, if it goes through 100, then it can definitely drop furthermore down to down to 20K. I don't know. It just feels heavy now. Feels heavy, and I don't know if it's a good thing or not for those who wants to push it higher. I mean, it has to go through the which level? It may want to test the 100 again. I don't know. But if it doesn't, well, if it doesn't, then up she goes. You know, up there to, well, up to the 60s maybe. MyFundedFutures just allow you 3 minis, where TopStep allows 5 contracts for me. The starter account allows you 3 minis maximum, the 50k, and at TopStep it's 5 minis. That's correct. On the expert account, you can go with 5 minis on the expert, and there's no scaling rule. And there's also a scaling rule at TopStep funded account, which means oh, I totally forgot what I want to say. So the scaling rule means that on TopStep you start with 2 minis and you scale up to 3, 4, 5. Only on the evaluation account you yeah, mini contract and micro are different. The conversion is different with TopStep and MyFundedFutures. For example, at TopStep, you can start with 2 micro or 2 minis, so the conversion is 1-to-1. With MyFundedFutures on the starter account, you can do 1 mini or 10 micros. 1 mini or 10 micros. So you can choose. But for example, the maximum micro you can go with TopStep 50k is 5. So the conversion is 1-to-1. But with the starter account, it's 1-to-10. But the expert account at MyFundedFutures is also 1-to-1 conversion. It's also 1-to-1 conversion. So let's see, are we gonna go higher here, or what is gonna happen here? I wonder. Does it want to drop, or are we going to reprice? I feel like that 76 is a good level for liquidity. contract is mini, but there is micro too. So there is micro and mini contracts. The micro is different than the mini. So there is also mini contract and micro contract. That is what you need to. I'm looking if there is some buying here to put this back to. Feels like it might want to drop. Still holding, no volume. Yeah, it's consolidating very much. And you know, if it drops below 100, I'm gonna put a line here. I am going to put it right here. It feels still heavy to me. I don't know. I'm trying to look at this closer. Yeah, it feels like that the 76 level is looking good, right? I do like that level. 76 up there. Yeah, it's going there. Look at that. Taking that buy side up there. Let's go. I think it should go up there. I'm looking at it. Morning. It could go, but there's a 5-minute fair value gap above 76. So yeah, it allows. On the evaluation account, you can go with that, but on the funded account, you start with 2 minis and you scale up to 5. So 1500 above I think 1000 or 1500, something like that. So you have to scale up. There's a scaling rule. Look at that. Are we dropping here? Looks like we're dropping. Let's see. I'm looking to enter maybe to a long position, but I'm afraid that this is gonna tank. So I'm not trusting this. I mean, if it's going up, then it's great, but watch for the VWAP test. All right, let's see. It's about to dump. It could be dumping. That's true. I was just looking for this fair value gap up there. That's all. I mean, the 76 level was looking quite good, and that's why I was watching it. Otherwise, it could be dumping. I agree. Oh, I thought I dropped something there. Let's see what happens. Is it going to pierce through that level or not? Oh ho ho! Thank you, Paulo, for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Waiting for the spike? Alright. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, it should be getting into that level. If not, then a heavy dump could be incoming. real fast. But I think it's gonna go in that area. If not, then we should be seeing some new lows pretty fast. And we could be seeing some very fast drop from here. I'll be watching. $82. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, obviously, you know, getting into long trades right now could be risky, but still feel like 76 is a draw on liquidity. If it breaks 37, you're out. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Almost got into. Almost went up there. Interesting. Gotta be careful. I'm not in any trade. I'm looking to scalp something here, but I just don't see anything I like. That's the thing. The only thing I see is this fair value gap in the short term. But the range is not good for me, and I didn't have an entry level. I mean, maybe down here, but nothing special. I can also see this dumping through 100, but it's having a hard time reaching that liquidity up there. And when it does, it could just dump. It poked into the liquidity area. So let's see what it does now. Could continue to drop down. Look at that. Is it really gonna go? It's going. Look at this. It's dumping. Dumpage. Dumpage, guys. This is a dumpage here. Told ya. Yeah, went to 80. Yeah, went to 80. Sorry, I wasn't really checking on the chat. I YOLO'd 2 Bulenox accounts. I passed 2 more Bulenox accounts. All right. Obviously because it's cheap. All right, let's see what's happening. 1 2 1 2. Okay. I'm gonna disconnect and refresh. Still dumping. I just received email from MyFundedFutures that they are working on to fix the issue with trade await, but still haven't fixed it, unfortunately, but they're working on it. So it's gonna go through the 100. I can even imagine this one going down to 20k. All right, it's going lower. Sorry guys, I'm still focusing on this chart. All right, updated everything. I didn't trade at the London session, but I tried the New York and went, well, 2 trades closed, nice. Yeah, I mean, I can imagine that we're gonna go down to 20k. We're going down to 20k. I can absolutely imagine that. Super easy. Super easy. MyFundedFutures just unhalted. Did you receive the email? Is it working or? I received an email that we want to inform you our recent display issues affect the trade await simulated market data. for blah 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 products. The issue has been identified and fixed. With the update expected at 5 p.m. Central Time today, July 17, the issues only affected the TradeAway web platform's display and orders were filled correctly. Until the fix is live, you may continue to experience issues. Trading is allowed, but proceed with caution at your own risk. So it might not be the best idea to go with TradeAway today. As per our terms of service, MyFundedFutures is not responsible for platform issues. We are an evaluation provider using third-party software of trading. The issues affected both simulated and live accounts, and TradeAway is not reimbursing live funds. For any questions, please reach blah blah blah. Okay, so that's it. Yeah. So basically, trade at your own risk because anything can happen at any moment. That's the thing. Anything can happen anytime, any moment. Be careful. Be careful. So here's an account I YOLO'd right now. I made 3,000, but the thing is, I still have to continue trading for 4 days, and I'm only over 74 cents. So even if I open one position with micro, I'm gonna go in drawdown. So obviously, I have to take careful trades with this one, most likely with one micro or something. And the other account I YOLO'd was this one. I also made $3,000 on this one, also with only with $5 with $5. So if I open a position, the commissions are going to eat it up. So I'm going to trade it with micros for 4 days, but yeah, I want to have more funded accounts, so I decided to use the sale to max out the funded accounts. They are burning option premiums. Oh, all right. Going sideways. Oh, so this could be some kind of a accumulation phase, and when they just gonna drop it down. I feel like they can drop it down to 20k, super easy, down to 20k in. No, they're going to accumulate positions, sweep some liquidity, and boom, go down. I can imagine that. That could be a thing. The theta is working against options as the time aspect is very important. Oh. Look at gold, went lower. Interesting levels, that's for sure. Bulls are come soon. I don't think so, Latza. I don't know. At these levels down here, look at the 1 hour. Just look at the 1 hour. It's a falling knife. Look at this. And we have this. Honestly, I am very convinced that maybe not today. Maybe it's going to consolidate because look at this. But I can imagine that this one just wants to go through to at least maybe test. I'm scared to go long here. That's the thing. Of course, you can scalp for longs. Yes, that's obviously possible. But look at how hard it was for them to take that liquidity up there. And then it's just going to go through this level. What is that? 98. If it goes through, closes below, we're going for 20K. But this is no man's land, I think. They are building bear trap. Could be. I feel the 20K. Maybe not today. Maybe during the Asia session. I'm not sure. But look at that. The wick through the low. Definitely luring in some more sellers here. But Careful with the shorts. Yeah, Gabriel, welcome. Just joined. Yeah, we're trading Nasdaq, and usually, I mean, sometimes gold too, but and welcome to the channel, by the way. Yeah, sorry, I was focusing on the chart. I wasn't looking at chat. Sorry. I'm sorry. So anyway, yeah, I trade gold too, but there was a trade in London session which I missed, and I missed again another trade here. And I'm afraid to jump into anything on gold, but yes, we're trading Nasdaq currently. That's the main priority usually, but I'm trying to go with gold too. And we got down to this level, and obviously the kill zone has ended. But yeah, quite interesting levels. Gabriel, I don't know. Gabriel, I'm scared to go long here. Yoshia, welcome again. So Gabriel, I'm very scared to buy here. My gut feeling tells me that this drop could be going lower. Bear trap has been initiated. Yeah, that might be the case. Monthly volume chart. I haven't checked that yet. Obviously, I think the majority of the move here in the AM session is done. So I'm not sure about the rest, but it's green. I'm gonna buy. Yeah, it's green, guys. I'm gonna buy a little something. Yeah. Anyway, I'm very happy for the payout with Bulenox. Obviously, there is still a lot to go, a long way to go with the other accounts, and I'm gonna be making some update video too about the rest of the accounts. I didn't touch my Apex account, but I actually passed 2 more funded accounts, I mean evaluations at Bulenox. Well, didn't pass it technically yet, but I'm up to $3,000. I still have to push the button for 4 days, and I activated a new funded account as well. But anyway, you know how it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Still going down. Look at that. Oh, thank you, Helga. Thank you. So let me show you. Let me show you the account. It's right here. Where is it? Here it is. So the payout with Bulenox is with $3,600, and here's the account. So it didn't really need it to go much, but I was at 432, and now I made it to 3,600. So that's $1,000 payout, obviously, which I'm willing to accept gladly. But you know, it was a long journey. It's just one stepping stone, and it was a slow process. I know $1,000 is, for some people it's a lot. Here in my country, an average salary is $800. So $1,000 payout. I'm super happy. I'm working on the other accounts as well. So yeah, at least the curse is lifted. At least the curse is lifted. So thank you very much. I mean, without you guys, there's no approval process so far. This will be my first payout from Bulenox, by the way. Methodical Man told me that, I mean, not just me, he made the video, but he was talking about it on the streams, that there's no special procedure. You just fill out the payout form and they pay you out. So there was no approval process like asking questions or anything. They just pay you out, and that's it so far, not that we know of, at least. So that's a good thing, I guess. So if it will go down with $1,000, that's still good. So I just have to work on the next $1,000, of course. Sounds simple. Thank you, Gabriel. I never had a payout before from trading with Bulenox, so I'm very excited. Obviously, I have to wait for tonight, and I can ask for a payout tomorrow, and that's it. I'm gonna fill out the data needed, the transfer and such, and that's it. But I hit the threshold and I hit the payout limit, so everything is done with the account. And I'm activating more funded accounts with Bulenox 2 and Apex 2 and working on everywhere. This is a stepping stone. Again, it's not just about the $1,000, it's about the process. So I'm happy about that. It's small money, relatively small money, but you know, working on it. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna cut it here because I'm not looking to enter anything approaching the lunch hour. So I think this is it for me. I made a payout level. I scalped today, as you see this account above my head. This is an Apex evaluation account. There is another Apex evaluation account that is looking very good so far. I mean, not that good, but getting closer to funded. So this was overall not a bad day. So thank you very much for watching. I'm really grateful for everybody, for the support and everything. And I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you so much. One thing, yeah, sure, West Side. Sure, absolutely. So yeah, does it matter what code I use for Apex? No, every code gives you the same discount. So yeah, so whichever you like. The custom code, I was waiting for it for 6 months. So you can use the old one, you can use the new one. It gives you the same discount. It gives me a same commission. So it's up to you, whichever you choose. It's easier to remember tomsabo. But I was asking for it since 6 months now, and finally I got it. So it's up to you, but thank you if you're supporting. Thank you so much. And tomsabo, it's easier to remember, obviously. So thank you so much for the support, Westside. Thank you. And everybody, without you guys, I couldn't make it again. So see you guys tomorrow in London. Take care. Have a good one. And that's it. Be safe. See you, everybody. Cheers.